Hi guys. Today I want to show a new version of Speardalajlama. The idea behind this build is, well, almost unchanged. I just throw a shield so this guy can be tanky as real face tanker should be. So let's go over the items. Sirpin's Fractal 3, nothing special, just lucky 3LP. I have it from the last patch. Then this chest, it's now easy to boost your HP because you can choose tier 7 health extra, so dexterities for the extra spears. As you can see, they fixed this item, so now we can have extra spears on hit. So dexterity is finally working. Shield, 24% block chance. It's also easy to do now because you can choose this tier 7. Now I found 3LP bleeding heart, so I put throwing damage into it. Also 2LP Orion Soul with endurance D6 because I had nothing better to put. This is quite nice pad, but prefix is not optimal. Then just a random ring with D7 affix to throwing damage, some random noble gloves also with throwing damage. These boots also not optimal, should have some HP or increased moving speed. And this Anchor of Oblivion also not so cool, but I had some relic with +4 to Javelin, so I just use it. Okay, so general idea to be tanky with this build is to increase your endurance to get 100% block chance and then boost your block effectiveness so you can mitigate a huge percent of the damage. And you can, with this item, you can leech health back because you have 8% damage leech and it works for Javelin. So let's go jump to some random CC. The highest is 735. I had no time to push farther, but I'm sure it's possible to push farther. So let's jump and maybe we could hunt some champions or something. Let's go. Trash mobs you can just ignore. As you can see, when I shooting into the main target, I got extra spears. Let's find something more tanky. Oh, this rat is good. Okay. So basically you're jumping to your enemy, then you're just standing still and spamming javelins. That's all. Oh, and from time to time you shield throw to boost your armor, and that's just it. Nothing really sophisticated. Well, this guy is quite strong, but not for this build. Okay, so it's possible that it's just bad level of corruption to showcase this build, because it's too tanky for it, but I don't know. Maybe in the future I'll show you something more. Trash mobs are just trash mobs. There is some space to improve this build, so I think it could be more dangerous than it is now. Oh, nothing interesting to kill in this mono, so maybe I just find something better in the future to showcase how tanky this build is. As you can see, nothing really strong enough to show the real power of this build.
I cannot do that.
Okay, I want this video to be short, so I won't go farther, but you have the idea what this build is capable of, I think.